vibrant, and important part of the church. Also, it develops our children into very respectful, well-behaved, biblically knowledgeable children. So we have prepared for you today items of dance, song, and drama for you to be entertained. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the following proceedings which you have in store for you. Thank you.
Okay, and at this time, I'm asking Mr. Kevin Campbell to come and give us a word from the scripture.
Good afternoon, church. The scripture reading will be taken from 1 Peter 1, verses 13 through to 16. And it reads, "So then, have your minds ready for action. Keep alert and set your hope completely on the blessing which will be given you when Jesus Christ is revealed. Be obedient to God and do not allow your lives to be shaped by those desires you had when you were still ignorant. Instead, be holy in all that you do, just as God who called you is holy. The scripture says, be holy because I am holy."
I believe God. I believe God. I